y'all, it is day 3, and today we are in Bimini, Bahamas. Although, not quite yet. I gotta film some tour footage and get some other work done, so I think we're just gonna enjoy and relax today with less people on board. But it's gonna be a great day no matter what. And guys, most importantly, you see that up there? Clear skies, it's warm, it's not cloudy and rainy and overcast. The weather has finally broken, and we're gonna make the most of it. So y'all, as always, ready we are. Let's go. Our port day in Bimini, Bahamas just got canceled due to the weather, which is always a bummer. So I'm gonna head into the Havana bar area here. They got Italian and Asian in here. We'll check out what they have in here. Looks like they're made to order. Like I believe you order up the counters and then you take a seat, but I'm not 100%. This is Jiji's Asian Kitchen. So it's something I wanted to give a try. So let's see how it is. It's actually really good. It's got a nice blend of flavors. Nothing's too overpowering. Got a hint of spice, but not like over the top. Yeah, honestly, I think that's really good. I'm gonna go the very good on that. I'm definitely happy with it. If you're wondering, what's it like on the Carnival Sunshine on Unexpected Sea Day on the pool deck? Here it is, y'all. A little bit of chaos. We were talking to some friends yesterday. They said they didn't think the pool decks are too crowded. I don't know. To me, this is a lot, y'all. This is a lot. I've got the cantaloupe soup for an appetizer. We'll see how this is. It's a chilled soup. Honestly, it is really, really good. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go with the yummy on this. I'm definitely gonna enjoy it.
I got some filet mignon. I love me some steak, so. That was very good as flavor. It has like everything it needs to be. So I'll give it a very good.
I have the Indian vegetarian dish today for dinner. For someone who really likes Indian food, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a fair. Nothing is bad at all. The spice factor is definitely up there, but the other flavor really isn't just matching it. Nothing is out of this world. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a fair for that reason, but still enjoy it.
Today I will be trying the Southern Fried Chicken for dinner, so let's see how it is. I will say I like it more when it has a little bit more flavor, but I like the crispiness, so I'll give it a fair.
Y'all, we got some barbecue salmon. I like salmon. I like barbecue. Do I like barbecue salmon? Well, we're about to find out. Bon appetit. I don't know. I feel like it's too sweet. Like when I get salmon, I don't know that I want sweet. Good news, it's kind of like a layer on top. I can probably just take the skin off. It won't matter. But on that, I'm gonna go with a fair. But that's fine. I'm good enough, or it's good enough for me. Well, y'all, night number 3 is in the books. Tomorrow we're in Nassau. Hopefully we're really in Nassau tomorrow. Unlike Bimini, where it's just like, 10 minutes forward due to dock. Sorry, folks, it ain't gonna happen. Tomorrow hopefully be better. Fingers crossed, because we got a fun day planned. So, but for now, it's been real, it's been fun. It's been really fun, but now it's time to get some sleep. Good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Today is day 4, and today is the first time we're actually making it to a port successfully. You can see behind me here, we are in Nassau in the Bahamas today, and it's a bit overcast, but we've got a fun day planned at the Margaritaville Resort today. We're gonna have lunch with our favorite crew member that's here on a different ship. Y'all, as always, if you're ready, we are. Let's go. Good morning.
Morning, what's that?
Perfect, thank you. All right, we made it to sunny Nassau. Here we are, y'all, here we are. Here's Jackson, he's ready. God bless you, Jackson. Here's Mom and Kate, they're ready. We're headed to the Margaritaville Resort for the first time. Well, I don't know if you have to do this regardless, but if you don't buy day passes like we did in advance on the website, you gotta stand in this line to get them. So they wouldn't sell them to us the day of. It is what it is. We didn't know we were coming here until this morning, so just waiting in this line so we can buy our tickets. We made it in, here we go. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready as I'll ever be.
They got a big old lazy river, nice pool over there, got some rock structures, no waterfall. I don't know what else here, but we're gonna make it a great day. If you're ready, we are, let's go. Mackenzie's cheating because look, they got all these different waterfalls.
And she.
Every time there's water coming, she tries to get away from it. It's like, y'all, we're supposed to get wet. It's a water park. Well, at least there's water resort. You can see they got some water park stuff here. You got a small slide there for kids. There's some other small slides, nothing too crazy. Hey, look at that! Look at the ladies! Oh my gosh! They got a sweet lazy river and some cool water slides and a nice pool, but look what else they have, y'all. They've got a rock ledge for you to jump off of. Pretty sweet if I do say so myself. You ready to do this thing, Kate?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's go. Here we are. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Woo! It looks a lot higher from up here than it does from down there. Ah, a little bit sketchy. All right, you ready, Kate? Am I ready? I don't know. Here we go. I may have shot water up my nose. Y'all, we are really testing the limits of this inner tube. Look, we got the whole family at sea right here on one tube. Y'all, we made it. Now we're heading to get some lunch. But look at that, Anna Banana.
Hi, everybody.
She's amazing. She's here on the Margaritaville at Sea Paradise. She's our favorite crew member. We're gonna go grab some lunch. I'm super excited to see her. So here we go. Right here by the Margaritaville Resort is this spot right here. Look at this. This is the Ichiban Restaurant. And this is a Japanese spot right here in Nassau. And I'm looking forward to this. They're already seated and waiting for me. Look, this is Ichiban. It's gonna be great. Can't wait, y'all. We've got the miso soup here. Let's see how it is. Lots of tofu. Looks good. Steamy hot.
Super hot.
It's got lots of like scallions. Tofu's good. It's perfect. As far as miso soup goes, that's a yummy.
Trying out these veggie spring rolls. I don't love the peanut sauce, but overall, definitely very good.
Today I'll be trying the chicken tenders. So let's see how it tastes. Dipping in some ketchup. That's the perfect consistency, and I like the flavor of it, so I'll give it the yummy.
Let us try the salmon teriyaki. Yummy. Awesome.
Yo, I got the hot Knights roll. This has got jalapeno, spicy tuna, and all sorts of other stuff. So it's probably gonna have a little heat to it, but that's what I ordered. It's not like overpowering heat. The jalapenos got a little bit of hot, but it's not too bad at all. Nice flavor though. I'll go with the very good on this. I'm definitely gonna enjoy it.
Today I will be having the butter pasta. That's very good. It has like a good amount of salt and yeah. So I'll give it yummy.
Well, it was meant to be for us to get to see Anna Banana.
Hello, hello.
Thank you so much. Thanks for
Thank you
trying to
very
see
much
us.
for bringing me here.
Y'all, book yourself on the Margaritaville at Sea
Yes,
Paradise and come see her. She's
and
amazing.
see me. Yes. Hello and bye-bye.
Get ready to head back to the ship. But here at Junction Beach, it's right by the Margaritaville Resort. Look who it is, Margaritaville at Sea Paradise, pulling out. We've been watching. Saw the Seashore pull out, saw the Carnival Glory pull out. There's us over there, there's the Sunshine. Margaritaville Resort's honestly really nice. Honestly, I prefer this to the more expensive Royal Beach Club. Honestly, the lazy river is cool, the slides, I really enjoyed it. So we had a great time here and got some great views of the cruise ships from right over here. Shows you how close it is. In addition to having access to the pools and all that up there, you've also got access to Junction Beach, which is right here. And so you can see, you get some loungers, they got some cabanas up here. It's a really, really nice spot. Y'all, if you do make your way to Margaritaville Resort here in Nassau, you head up some stairs, you can see a nice tiki bar right here, hidden away, but y'all look at this. Got a sweet hot tub here, an infinity pool overlooking the port. It's absolutely gorgeous. This might be the best spot in the entire resort, and most people have no idea this is even here. Don't miss it, y'all.